Hey there everybody, welcome to another episode of Bert's Bike. Today we're just going to do something really simple. I'm just going to put these pannier racks from Motone on my Triumph Bonneville, and it should be a pretty straightforward, easy install. So first thing we need to do is remove this bolt and this nut down here. So this is a 12. This nut is a 12 as well. Alright, so I'm just going to take this off and just get a feel for how tight this is. I couldn't really find any torque specs in the book, but it shouldn't be very tight at all. So not very tight at all. Alright, so if you can see, there is some blue Loctite on that. So I'll either probably put some copper slip or actually some blue Loctite. As you can see, the shock sits in here by itself. So that comes off super easy. Be sure not to lose anything out of the back end here. Alright, so just the bolt there. So now with both these things loose, let's see how this fits in. Alright, so here's the new bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and Loctite this. But before I put the top bolt in, I'm gonna get the bottom just loosely in place. Alright, just line it up. Alright, I'm doing just a little bit of research. Looks like it's 28 Newton meters here on this top part and here, but I mean, it came off so easy. I think the Loctite and just, you know, a little bit hand tight will do. Be sure you put the washer in the back so the rail doesn't rub up against the frame holder here, or the shock holder. All right, that's it. All right, Motone stuff. It's always pretty high quality. I did notice that there was some paint missing on this part. Not a big deal, but you slip in Motone. Just kidding. Alright, that's about it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Bert's Bike, and I'll catch you on the next one.